back to my channel. My hair looks crazy, but we're about to fix that because we're gonna do a little curly to straight hair routine. Hopefully it's a quick one because I do not have the time to be spending on my hair, but obviously I still need to wash my hair. I just wanted to show you guys kind of like a before of what my hair has been looking like. This is like day 3 or 4 of my wash day, and yeah, obviously I haven't really been taking care of it. I don't even remember the last time I wore a bonnet to bed, but before I get in the shower, I'm going to be using this scalp purifying liquid shampoo from Aromas just to make sure my scalp is super clean and I remove any buildup I have from all the product that I was using this week, because whenever I do straighten my hair, I like to leave it straight and not wash it for a few weeks just to like give myself a little break. So I'm just putting this in my scalp and rubbing this in. I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for like up to 30 minutes before I wash it. This always feels so good. I'm going to be using this shampoo and conditioner, both from Kristen Ess. They claim to enhance shine, smooth, and soften your hair, which is everything we want for straight hair. So we're going to see how they work. It's my first time trying them out. Before we start, I'm actually going to apply this little hair serum, also from Kristen Ess. This is their working hair serum. It's frizz taming, moisture locking, and strand illuminating. I love the way that brands like describe their products, but we're going to put a little bit of this in my hair. I'm just really focusing on the ends. I'm hoping this doesn't take too long. I'm shooting for an hour, like no more than an hour, to completely blow out and straighten my hair. I'm gonna try not to talk too much so that I can actually get it done. But we're doing the middle part, of course. I'm gonna be using my Tymo blowout brush. Forgot to put my heat protectant in. I am so bad about using heat protectant, but I'm going to be using this one from Lucetta. I got it at Marshall's like a few weeks ago, but this is the one thing that I never remember to do is use heat protectant. Even when I'm doing a curly hair routine and I use a diffuser, you really should be applying like some heat protectant, and I never ever apply heat protectant. So let me do that and act like I actually care about the health of my hair, because I do. I just don't know why it's so hard for me to remember this. Actually, I'm going to split the section in half and do smaller sections. So far it's actually looking good. My hair does look really nice and shiny. I did recently do, well, maybe like a month ago, I did another DIY haircut. I didn't film it, it was just like really random. So my ends are looking really good because I feel like I cut off all my little dead ends. Do a little bit more of the heat protectant. I'm just spraying it on every section. Shiny my hair looks. It actually looks so good. Under 30 minutes I did this side. Now I will have to go in with a flat iron a little bit in the front areas, but that's a pretty good blowout in 30 minutes. Now I have to do this side, which will take another 30 minutes, so I'll just be back once I'm completely done. This is probably the best I've done my hair with that blowout brush, and the fastest, and it looks pretty good. But there are some pieces that I just want to go over so that they're like really flat and straight, especially back here. I can't see it, but I can feel that I have some bumpies. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's definitely not as flat as I would like it to be, but I'm gonna go ahead and use another another Tymo hot tool. I think this one is called the Ionic straightening brush or straightening comb. I'll link them both down below. I literally love Tymo tools. You guys know I use their diffuser all the time. All the hot tools that I own are from Tymo. But we're gonna go ahead and turn this one on. Crank that boy up to 410. I'm gonna do this part in sections just to make sure I'm getting in between all the layers of my hair. But I'm only really going to be focusing on the root of my hair because I still want my hair to have like that volume and that bounce to it. I don't want it to be like pinned straight. Serum as well. I'm gonna add it halfway, and then once I'm done, I'll add some more to the top. I love the way that this smells. I've been wanting to try those overnight heatless curls, and I think I'm gonna try and find a set to do it on my hair now that it's straight to see how it works, because they be coming out so cute. I always forget like how much hair I have until it's straightened. It's so thick. Like it always feels so much thicker when it's straight versus when it's curly, and I don't know why. It is a little bit later in the day. I did have my hair wrapped up, so it has a little bit more of a curl to it, but I love the way that it looks, and I honestly think this is the fastest I've straightened my hair in a long time. I don't know why. Maybe I was just putting a little more pep in my step, but I did my hair really quick and I think it looks really good. I do have a bunch of little flyaways, mostly from the postpartum hair that is growing back in, so I'm going to put a little bit of this workable hairspray. This is also from Kristen Ess, and I'm just putting it on my hands first and then kind of rubbing it on my hair to smooth it down. This smells really good too. So that is pretty much it for this video and my curly to straight hair routine. Also, the little DIY haircut that I did gave me a very layered look, which I love to see when my hair is straight especially. So very happy with that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in anything that I use, everything should be linked somewhere, either on the video or in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you all in my next video.